In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Slide size, whether you're preparing a presentation for a widescreen display, a printed handout, or a social media graphic. Adjusting the slide size ensures everything looks crisp and fits exactly where it needs to go. I'll walk you through the process clearly and share tips so you can pick the right dimensions with confidence. First, go to Google Slides in your web browser and sign into your account. You can open Google Slides directly or access it through your cloud drive. Once you're in, you'll see your files listed. Select a recent presentation you want to resize. Any presentation will work for this, and you'll want to make sure you have editing access before proceeding. If you're experimenting with sizes, it can be helpful to work on a copy so your original layout stays untouched. With your presentation open, head to the top left and click File. In the menu that appears, look for Page Setup and select it. This is the control center for your slide dimensions and aspect ratio. You'll see a drop-down with preset page ratios. Choose the option that matches where your presentation will be displayed. Widescreen 16:9 is the most common choice for modern monitors, projectors, and video. Standard 4:3 can be better for older screens or certain print layouts. Widescreen 16:10 is useful for some laptops and specific displays. Selecting one of these instantly sets the overall canvas for your slides. If you need something more precise, click Custom. Here you can enter exact dimensions and pick units such as inches, centimeters, points, or pixels. This is ideal for posters, one-page flyers, or social media sizes. For example, entering a width and height in pixels can match a specific template, while inches or centimeters are helpful for printing. To switch orientation, simply swap the width and height values. Keep in mind that very large sizes can slow down editing, and printed designs may require margins, so leave a bit of breathing room around edges. Once you've chosen the preset or entered custom dimensions, click Apply. The new size is applied to the entire presentation. Your existing content will adapt to the new canvas, and you may notice that some text boxes or images need small adjustments to look perfect. If the change isn't what you expected, you can undo immediately or reopen Page Setup and try a different ratio or custom size. That's it, you've successfully changed your Google Slide size. With the right dimensions, your presentation will display and print exactly as intended.